Ryan.
Didn't see it. Yeah, I did. I didn't see it.
Selfie!
Yeah.
So cute! Sadie! But you said it was dark, and it just got darker. Cause we're in a car, and you know where we gonna go? Where we gonna go?
We're gonna go on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
We're gonna go get Froyo.
Yay! Okay, so we didn't know what a lily looked like, so we were wandering through, you know, the flowers section of Hobby Lobby, and I just picked, you know, a pretty flower, and we looked down here, down here,
It says Lily.
and lolly? Yes, it said lolly.
I said Lily.
Sound like lolly.
These look so nice.
No, they don't. They look weird.
They look so nice.
We're coming.
On accident.
What did you do?
I did this,
Again.
but less noisy.
What'd you even do? Oh, what's that?
What's Bammo? I don't know what this is, but it looks cool.
It's still raining and it's still windy.
And Reagan's still freaking out. It's gonna get windier. And that was Animals with Reagan. See you next week.
Tune in next week for more Animals with Reagan. Wait, what animal was that?
The hippoplatypus.
Grandpappy and the fruit wedgie.
What?
The fruit wedgie.
What's the fruit wedgie?
A palmetto. It's a fruit and veggie.
Right, I forgot.
Where's the?
Yeah, I don't know if I could go in that store. Like, if
Where's
I wanted
the-
T-Mobile,
where's the
I feel
what?
like I would go.
Frozen yogurt.
Something's leaking on me.
Might just be water from the.
What-oh.
From when it was over.
Call a hippoplatypus. This is an emergency.
You don't like. Thanks, Matt. It smells like froyo. Y'all know what I'm getting. Hey, they have peach.
They do. I guess they always have the Georgia peach. Why wouldn't they have peach?
I want to try the peach since it's
I
so.
want to try everything.
There's so many choices. Are you getting the purple spoon?
I'm getting a milkshake.
I don't know what you do. I want the blue.
Is the song copyrighted? We're gonna have
Yes.
to edit it out.
You watch sports, we cut hair. Repeat every 4 weeks. Or
Reagan just broke a glass and now she has to drink from a sippy
I don't
cup.
know how to drink out of a sippy cup.
Suck on it.
You
How?
sip on it?
How?
Like it's a straw. Working?
You have to chew on it.
What are we doing, Reagan, after this?
Yeah.
I'm chewing.
What are you doing? I'm chewing.
Okay, now what are we doing?
Making candles.
So, you know, the aftermath of candle making. And then Matt.
And Reagan furiously,
Furiously.
I prefer the term ferociously.
Okay, so here are her candles. Here's her first. And then
Here's my second.
Your second.
Nice.
I like my second one a lot.
Here's
Oh, that's
Michaela's.
very nice. Here's mine.
Here's my first one.
Ready to get your otter face on?
And then here's my last one. Okay, so we're gonna do face masks.
Needed to be.
So here's mine. Like a panda bear.
I'm gonna be a koala because I have a big nose.
That is goofy up in there.
Okay. Open.
I'm gonna sit in this chair.
I want to do this.
How do I do this?
Oh, ew, it's so squishy. Oh, you just spit on me.
I'm so sorry.
Ew, this is so like slimy.
How do I do it? I'm gonna.
Is that the right way, Joe? I feel like the print's on the other side, but maybe not.
Ew, it's on my lip.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine. Become the otter.
It kind of looks like your skin is just super like you have a layer of skin that you need to peel off. Can it handle it?
What is this? This is supposed to be...
No,
Your
this is supposed to be like there.
your face isn't big enough.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to.
It's so. It's slimy. Alright, what do I do now?
Oh, great.
It feels terrible.
Lily,
This
I need
is-
help.
This is terrible.
I need mental help.
Okay.
I don't like
I need help.
Okay, I
Lily.
got this. I'll put it on your face.
Help. It's only a little bit opened. Probably against it.
Oh.
It's dripping. I know.
I mean, it's not even like on right. Oh, it's going into my eye.
I'm not trying to kiss you, because I'm gonna miss. And get... You just look like you have gang tattoos on.
I'm the cutest.
I'm not even gonna try and talk.
You talk. Like, I need to like make...
You just rehydrate my skin.
What the ever-loving frick is the purpose of this?
Oh, the lighting's bad, but here's my eye. Here's next. And then here's
It's gonna drip.
Rawr. I'm a panda bear. You're a koala.
Shut up, I know my animal.
So I don't know if you can tell because the lighting is like terrible. We got the pup here, you know. And, you know, she kind of pushed Reagan off the bed. Reagan was originally like right here. Sadie, off! Reagan, you want to come back up?